When do y'all throw y'all's underwears away? Because how y'all doing? My name Raymond Ciste. I'm gonna try to reenact my last minute to show you guys what I done found in the laundry. Now I'm taking the clothes out of the washing machine because my wife ain't come home last night. And I want to show you what I found, which is going to lead to the title of this video. I got my shorts right here. I wore these shorts about 2 days ago. And I ran up to the Piggly Wiggly. I went over to Big Lots, Pick and Save. I ran all kind of errands in these shorts. And then I discovered old Raymond Ciste has big old tear in his trousers. I want to ask you guys if you think that's bad. Maybe I did do some shopping with my britches hanging out. It gets a little worse. So here's the title of the video, because it looks like it might have got me in some trouble. Guys, and I guess ladies too, I'd ask my wife if she would have came home last night. When do y'all throw y'all's underwears away? Because I discover I got this hole. Raymond Ciste got this big hole in his shorts. And then I see I got big old holes in my panties. So I'm wondering if Raymond Ciste's little old junk was falling out of these shorts here. Now the wife used to help with the laundry until she just became so busy she ain't never home. Guys and girls, at what point do you throw your underwears away? Because I know I got these as a present back in '09. And it's hard to throw them away because them's the nicest ones I got. The only other ones I got was I got these from my son. He's fancy. He buy new drawers all the time. He gave me these. These are nice for old Raymond Ciste. Them and ones sometimes I like to ball out in my briefs. But anyway, guys, go ahead and leave me a comment. Should I throw these drawers away? Well, when do you throw your drawers away? I'm Raymond Ciste. I thank you for watching.
By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about